Welcome to another energetic news update from Certrec, your source for regulatory insights and energy innovation. The New York State Energy Research and Development Authority has announced a $300 million funding initiative to support port infrastructure development across the state. The program is designed to strengthen supply chains, support offshore wind development, and modernize port infrastructure to handle clean energy-related manufacturing and logistics. The funding, administered through New York State Energy Research and Development Authority, will support projects to modernize port facilities, improve load-bearing capacity, extend wharf infrastructure, and enhance overall operational readiness. These upgrades are intended to position New York's ports for long-term, multi-use operations. Here's what this investment supports: modernize port infrastructure to improve cargo handling, logistics efficiency, and long-term competitiveness. Attract private investment by supporting projects that can move quickly and leverage skilled local labor. Create jobs and economic opportunity by strengthening working waterfronts and supporting construction, logistics, and clean energy sectors. The funding will be awarded through multiple competitive rounds, with the first round of proposals due by March 26, 2026. State officials say the initiative will help New York capture long-term supply chain benefits while supporting a resilient and diversified port network. For more updates on infrastructure investment and regulatory developments, visit RegSource by Certrec. Like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon to stay informed on the trends shaping America's energy and infrastructure future.